How to change your API key in your n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your API key quickly in your n8n workflow. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our n8n instance. As you can see that in my case, I have a local instance. So I am currently launching it on my local host port 5678. Now within this, you need to go to this overview option, which is the home overview, and then click onto credentials. Now simply choose the credential that you wish to change. For example, let's say my Quen Cloud account. I will simply click onto these three dots and then click open. Now here you can see the API key. Simply remove this particular API key and then type in your or simply paste in your new API key. You can easily test out the particular you can test out the particular connection if you want as well, and then you are all set. So this is basically it about this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.